your vision could be sharper than you ever imagined. What if I told you there's a simple recipe that can enhance your eyesight naturally? Today, we're diving into a powerful concoction that could improve your eye health and give you a clearer view of the world. Stay tuned to discover the ingredients and the science behind this amazing recipe. This is not just another health tip, it's a game changer for your vision. Before we jump into the recipe, let's understand why eye health is so important. Our eyes are the windows to the world, and maintaining good vision is crucial for our daily activities and overall quality of life. Importance of good vision for daily activities. Common causes of poor eyesight: aging, poor diet, excessive screen time. How diet impacts eye health. As we age, our eyesight naturally declines. However, factors like poor diet and excessive screen time can accelerate this process. Our diet plays a significant role in maintaining and improving eye health, providing the necessary nutrients to keep our vision sharp. Now let's talk about the power of nutrition. Certain foods are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are essential for eye health. Here are some key nutrients to focus on. Vitamin A, essential for good vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect eyes from harmful light. Omega-3 fatty acids support overall eye health. Vitamin C and E prevent age-related eye damage. Vitamin A helps maintain a clear cornea, which is essential for good vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found in leafy greens, protect the eyes from harmful light. Omega-3 fatty acids, present in fish, support overall eye health, while vitamin C and E prevent age-related eye damage. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the eye-enhancing recipe. This recipe is designed to be easy to make and packed with nutrients that are proven to support and improve eye health. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1 carrot, 1 orange, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Instructions: prep the ingredients. Wash the spinach thoroughly. Peel and chop the carrot. Peel the orange and remove any seeds. Blend the ingredients. Add the spinach, carrot, orange, and water to a blender. Blend until smooth. Add chia seeds and honey. Stir in the chia seeds. Add honey for sweetness if desired. Serve and enjoy. Pour the smoothie into a glass. Enjoy it fresh to get the maximum benefits. This smoothie is a powerhouse for your eyes. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. Carrots provide a high dose of vitamin A. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, and chia seeds add a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Combined, these ingredients make a delicious and nutritious smoothie that supports eye health. Let's dive deeper into how each ingredient in this recipe works to enhance your eyesight. Spinach, rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, protects eyes from harmful light and reduces the risk of chronic eye diseases. Carrots, high in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, essential for maintaining a healthy cornea and preventing night blindness. Oranges, packed with vitamin C, protects eyes from free radical damage and supports healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Chia seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids, reduces the risk of dry eyes and improves overall eye function. Each ingredient plays a specific role in supporting your eye health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to function optimally and protect against damage. Along with this powerful recipe, here are some additional tips to help maintain good eye health. Limit screen time and take regular breaks. Wear sunglasses to protect eyes from UV rays. Get regular eye checkups. Maintain a balanced diet, rich in eye-healthy foods. Limiting screen time and taking breaks can prevent eye strain. Wearing sunglasses protects your eyes from harmful UV rays. Regular eye checkups ensure early detection of potential issues, and a balanced diet provides the nutrients necessary for eye health. To sum it up, maintaining good eye health is crucial, and this powerful recipe can help you achieve that. Incorporate it into your daily routine, along with the tips we discussed, to keep your vision sharp and healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellness Wise 110 for more health tips. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Take care of your eyes and see the world with clarity.